Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
The Federal Reserve just announced a potential taper of their asset purchase and to start reducing the growth of their balance sheet going into 2022. This taper could potentially start in November and then end in mid-2022. And Jerome Powell announced that they could consider raising rates in mid-2022 depending on the economic situation then. This clearly reflects that inflation is running wild in the United States and their fingers are on that button to prevent it from spiraling out of control. Both the US 10-year Treasury as well as the SPX are seen rising together this week, which is another sign that there's too much money chasing too little goods and services. The price action of the bond market looks to mimic that of 2013. We think it would, right, and end 2013. So just a little bit of context, what happened in end 2013 around the same time here was the Fed announced a taper of their QE, which happened after the 2008 housing bubble, right? So this is housing bubble dump, this is COVID dump, and then this is when they stopped their taper. Yeah. So if the taper really starts in November 2021, we think that the price action might be similar. So continue to pump up until Q1 2014, which will happen for all risk-on assets, equities, crypto, and then later bond prices will fall. Yeah. So if we look at later, we will cover SPX, and you can see that the whole of year 2014 was bullish for equities. We think that may be the case for crypto and equities as well. Yeah.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.